Welcome back. So we're going to finish on the weld over here that we had talked about where the piece broke off completely. So what we're going to do is we're just going to lay some strips over until we actually connect the piece, right? I have a piece of metal on the back side of it that will keep it, that'll keep the gap in there that's supposed to be, so that way we won't have issues. I'm going to use my standard welder for this, a detail welder. And the whole face of this fell off, so essentially we're just going to re-weld the new strip directly across this piece of metal. There's one. Lower my jet down a little bit, get a little too crazy there. Do another strip over top of that. This will give it a little bit more strength because it has to hold a metal bracket in place after it's all said and done. And now we're going to do one more. There's that. Now we're gonna use our heat shaping tool to shape it down and get where we want it. I'm using this one because it gives me a little bit tighter areas I can get into. This doesn't have to be perfect. We can reshape it with a Dremel, get their finishing shape that we're looking for later. Just right now we're trying to get the initial part, and down here is the actual spot where it's going to catch the metal part. So we want to make sure we have a nice channel just in behind there. Essentially what I'm doing is I'm over here. We're trying to recreate this bracket right here. Alright, so as long as we have that little catch in the front right here, nice as long as that's out and we have enough material there, everything should be good. Thanks for watching.